Hello guys, LifeHackster here. A bit of a different video today. A family friend of ours have contacted me and he wants me to help him set up a security camera for his business. His needs are a bit unique and I already went to the place and I already checked on it and finally decided on what I'm going to install today, and this is probably the easiest and the fastest security camera install. I'll tell you what his needs are first, and this camera is going to be installed in a CrossFit gym, or what they call the box. Now, he already have the Lorex NVR camera system installed around the property. He does have two buildings, and on the second one, he's going to start after hours or 24/7 access to some of the members. Now, this is not like paying a membership and going anytime without supervision. This is more for people that he coaches to go in and do the program after hours, if they're not able to come in regular gym times. What he's wanting is to get a notification and a snapshot, and this is the important part for him whenever someone goes in and out of this keypad control door. Now, he already have someone installed a camera way up there, and this is from alarm.com, and I think this model is Wi-Fi connected. The only thing is that he is paying 12 to 15 bucks a month just for this camera. And also, I think for what he wants, this camera is installed way too high, and it is harder for him to identify in the snapshot who is coming in. Plus, he really doesn't want to pay the subscription. So with these requirements, I'm gonna rule out Wi-Fi camera brands like Ring, Arlo, and Nest. And I was thinking Tapo, but I realized that you do need a subscription if you want rich notifications if you use Tapo. For NVR IP cameras, I'm gonna rule out Reolink because they don't have rich notifications. Lorex can be an option, but he already maxed out on his NVR system with Lorex, and I actually went to this rabbit hole with Lorex because they have a lot of products and a lot of NVR models that their specific cameras can only be compatible with some of their NVRs. And also what I learned is that most IP wired security cameras have a micro SD card slot on the camera itself so that you can put in the micro SD card and it can record to the micro SD card. It seems like with Lorex, they want their cameras to be connected to their NVRs. They will have a little note that you can use a micro SD card, but you have to access the footage via a web browser and not the app. So I'm going to exclude Lorex. So there's only one brand left and no subscription needed, and it has rich notifications, and that is Eufy. Also, I want the camera to be a bit lower than the alarm.com camera, and I don't want to drill any more holes. That is why I'll be installing probably the easiest install of all, because this is metal. So I'll be installing a battery powered camera. I got this magnetic mount. So see, it just sticks like so. And it is pretty solid. So what we're gonna use is the Eufy S220, just because it has a solar panel, battery powered, and Eufy has the rich notifications without a subscription. I just installed the app to his phone, choose the SoloCam S220, and I'll connect it directly to the router. Type in the password of his Wi-Fi, press the camera sync button, and show the QR code that was generated by the app. And I better go get closer to where I'm going to install it and wait until it is successfully added. Name the camera and get the initial settings set up. I'll screw in the camera to the magnetic mount, get my step ladder set up, and just stick it to the metal building. That easy. And now when someone goes in and out of the door, they will be recorded and he will be notified. Now going back to the app, on the security modes, I'll change the home mode and turn off notifications. And in the away mode, I'll turn off the camera alarm, and it should be recording and notifications on. Then let's put this on a schedule. So he doesn't want to be notified, which will be the home mode from 5 a.m. when the gym opens till 8 p.m. And we'll do this every day. Set up another schedule, this time in away mode, so he will get notifications from 8:01 p.m. to 4:59 a.m. all week, and save. Then we will set the mode to schedule, and it is done. I'll give him a couple weeks and get his feedback and see how the camera is holding up. The only thing I could think of is that if there's a lot of traffic, then the solar panel of the S220 might not be able to keep up. And if that's the case, then we can go with wired. I'm thinking about the professional E330 to replace the alarm.com's camera, or there is a light on top of the door which I can replace with a floodlight cam like the floodlight cam E330. We will see. Okay, so this is a pretty simple setup, but I'm actually working on a bigger project. a full NVR system with 10 to 12 cameras installation in a commercial property. Also, I'm going to give a big shout out to Reolink for providing the NVR system for this project. And there will be more than a few tips on this video, like installing a camera in a ceiling tile, in a junction box, and also in a wall bracket. So hit the subscribe button below and also give this video a thumbs up. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.